Today is Math Day and we are going to study another lesson in math. Naalala niyo ba kung ano ang pinag-usapan natin noong nakaraang linggo? Ang pinag-usapan natin ay tungkol sa counting. We did not just do counting up to 100. We also did counting by twos or skip counting. Today, we will talk about another skip counting. We will talk about skip counting by fives. And also, we have another topic, isang application ng math sa ating araw-araw na buhay. Kaya samahan nyo kami, sama-sama tayong mag-aral, sama-sama tayong masayang gumawa ng homework. Hi kids!
Hi, Ate Sally! Hi, Ate Sally!
Wow, ang galing nyo naman! Hi Prince! Shake hands muna tayo, Prince! Hi Jad! Ano nga ulit ang pangalan mo? Ano pong pangalan mo?
Jad.
Jad at si Prince. Ang makakasama ko sa araw na ito ay si Jad at si Prince. And today, we will talk about... What is this? Ano to?
9 o'clock.
Ay, 9 o'clock agad. Alam nyo na agad kung anong gagawin natin. Meron muna tayong art activity. Tayo ay gagawa ng orasan. Ano nga to?
Orasan.
Orasan. Anong English ng orasan? Clock.
Clock.
Very good. Anong gagawin natin mamaya? Clock.
Clock.
At tayo ay magpa-practice ng telling time. What will we practice?
Clock.
Telling time. Ano yon?
Time.
Telling time. Ulitin po natin. We will practice telling time.
Practice alling time.
Telling time. Okay. Pero bago po natin gawin yon, practice muna tayo ng counting. Sige nga, practice tayo ng counting. Let's count the numbers on the clock. What are the numbers on the clock? What is this? Sabay-sabay tayo ha. Ready, get, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. And then, gagawin ko, kuha ko nitong... Sige nga, sabihin nyo sa akin, paunahan kayo. Ay, upo, Jad. Yan. Sabihin sa akin kung ano yung number na isusulat ko sa blackboard. Are you ready?
Opo.
Sabihin nyo mas malakas. Opo, Ate Sally.
Opo, Ate Sally.
Alright. Sige nga, 1, 2, 3. Anong number po ito?
5.
5. Very good. Oh, what number is this?
11.
11. What number is this?
9.
9. Very good. Oh, another 3 more. What number is this?
2.
2. What number is this?
10.
10. And last number. Number
12.
12. Are you ready? Magpa-practice pa tayo nito. Okay po?
Opo.
Opo. Marami tayong gagawin. Kaya dapat malakas ang sagot. Okay po?
Opo.
Opo. Mga bata, sa araw na ito, ang gagawin namin ay tungkol sa telling time. Yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo na practical application of math. Kaya mamaya, samahan niyo pa kami at tayo ay mag-aral ng pagbabasa ng oras.
On your way to success? Start with the best. New Era University, where we guide every individual to their natural state of excellence. Enroll now, because New Era University awaits the future we can build together.
Today's topic, today's guest.
O Jad, Prince, ready na ba kayo?
Opo.
Ay, parang wala na pong energy. Hindi na malakas eh. Ready na po ba kayo?
Opo!
Sabihin niyo po, Opo, Ate Sally.
Opo, Ate Sally!
Very good naman si Jad. Appear tayo, Jad. Appear tayo, Prince. Pero, bago tayo magsimula, rules muna tayo. Pag sinabi ni Ate Sally na hands down, saan po ang kamay? Diyan, tama. Hands down. Yan. Pag sinabi ni Ate Sally ng listen, anong dapat gagawin? Makikinig po. Anong gagawin?
Makikinig po!
Makikinig po. Pag sinabi ko pong listen, anong gagawin niyo po?
Makikinig po!
Makikinig po. Pag sinabi ko pong stand properly, paano po ang tayo? Gumagalaw ba o dapat nakatayo maayos? Tayo po ng maayos. Pag sinabi ko pong hands down, saan po ang kamay? Dito po. Sige nga, pakita ko hands down. Yan. Pag listen, ang gagawin po, Jad? Gagawin?
Makikinig po!
At pag sinabi ko pong stand properly, ayos ng tayo. Good job! O, ready na ba kayong gumawa ng clock? Ano pong gagawin natin? Clock.
Clock!
Ano pong gagawin natin?
Clock!
Clock. At ang papracticing po natin ay telling time. Pero bago yon, play muna tayo. Kanino po, meron ako dito na numbers. Okay? Kanino po itong color blue? Ay, color blue.
Akin.
Kay Jad. Kanino po itong green?
Ako po.
Kay Prince. At tatanggalin ko po. Tapos, bibilang tayo ng 1 to 12. Okay po?
Opo!
Sige nga, bilang nga po kayo ng 1 to 12. 1, 2,
2, 3,
sabay-sabay tayo. Wait po, wait muna. Ang galing naman ni Prince. Sabay tayo. Ready, get, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Ang gagawin ko, lalagay ko itong mga to dito. Tanggalin muna natin to. Tapos, kailangan paunahan tayo, ha? Paunahan po tayo. Gagawin natin 1 to 12. Ready? Ready na ba kayo?
Opo!
Opo. Ready na? Game! Go! 1, 7. Dito mo ilagay yung 7 mo. 7. Yung 7. 7. 8.
9, 10, 11, 12!
Very good! Ang galing naman! Apir ako! Ang galing naman! 1 to 12. O ngayon, may pag-uusapan tayo. Ay, ang galing naman ni Prince. Ang bait ni Prince. Ayan. O, inaayos na natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. O, may tatanong naman ako sa inyo. Ano ba ang long hand? Patingin ako ng long. Gamit natin yung arms natin. Long. Patingin ako long. Long. Paano yung short? Short. Ganito dyan. O, ganito dyan yung short. Paano yung short? Short. Meron ako ditong dalawang arrows. Tapos, ito, ano to? Prince, tingin ka sa akin. Ito ba ay long hand o short hand? Ito, ano to? Long. Ito po ay short. Tingnan itong color blue. Ay, bibigay natin to kay Prince para magkakaiba ng kulay. Tapos, dyan, nasaan yung long hand na yellow? Ito po, nasaan yung short? Ayan, malapit na tayong matapos. Gagawin na natin yung ating clock. Okay? Sige po. Wala po. Mga bata, ang gagawin namin, kami ay gagawa ng orasan. Ang orasan na gagawin namin ay ganito. Ayan. Pagkatapos, mamaya, ididikit namin ang mga numbers from 1 to 12 at lalagyan namin ng hands para makapag-practice na kami nila Prince at Jad ng telling time. Okay? Okay. Ano na po tayo nito?
paper plate, colored paper, single fastener, glue, scissors, and markers. Now let's make the clock. Step 1. Make the numbers using colored paper. Make sure you have the numbers 1 to 12. Step 2. Prepare the face of the clock. Cut a colored paper that will fit the paper plate. Step 3. Make the hands of the clock by making 2 arrows. One arrow should be long and the other short. Step 4. Assemble the clock by pasting the numbers and putting the 2 hands using a simple fastener.
When a story starts with faith, it can only grow further and stronger. As time passes by, we learn about your story. In an institution of exceptional healthcare with genuine Christian compassion, we care about you. With a safe, secured, and sanitized environment, accompanied by a team of trusted healthcare professionals, we are built this way to serve you better. By providing affordable health services to general population, we want what's best for you. Because at New Era General Hospital, everyone matters.
Ayan, tapos na natin yung ating mga clock, yung orasan natin. Anong ginawa natin dyan? Orasan.
San.
Ano po ulitin natin? Orasan.
San. Awasan.
Orasan po.
Awasan po.
Very good. Anong English ng orasan, Prince?
Clock.
Clock po. Ulit may po dapat. Clock po.
Clock po.
Very good. Ready na ba kayo para sa telling time?
Opo.
Ano pong pangalan ko? Di ba sabi ko dapat pag sumasagot? Opo, Ate Sally.
Opo, Ate Sally. Opo,
Pero
Ate
bago
Sally.
yon, ako po muna. Kaya yung kamay, saan lalagay? Very good, hands down. Yun yung una nating rule. O mamaya na po natin lalaruin yung mga orasan nyo. Sa akin muna titingin. Okay po?
Opo.
Okay. These are the parts of the clock. Tingnan muna natin ano-ano yung parts ng clock. Merong, anong tawag natin dito? Numbers. Very good. Ano-ano yung numbers na nasa clock?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. At itong buong to, ang tawag dyan ay face. Face. Parang to, face. Yung face, ito yung face. Anong tawag natin dito? Face. Yung face, meron siyang hands. Anong tawag natin dito? Hands. Parang hands, parang ito. Nasaan yung hands nyo? Saan nalagay ang hands? Sa taas o sa baba? Baba. Hands down. Very good. How many hands do we see? 1, 2. How many hands? 2 hands. And there are 2 hands. One is long, the other is short. Short.
What is this? Long hand. Sabihin nyo nga, Prince. Jad.
Long hand.
Long hand. Isa lang. Long hand.
Long hand.
Ito po ay short
Short
hand. Tingin ka sa akin, Jad. Short hand.
Short hand.
Very good. The long hand tells us the minutes. What's that again? Minutes.
Minutes.
The short hand tells us the hours. Ulit po.
Hours.
Hours o oras. Ito po ay minutes, minuto. Pero dahil madali lang ang gagawin muna natin, kapag ang long hand ay nakatapat sa 12, Ganito po magbasa ha. Titingnan muna natin yung shorthand. Hanapin yung hours. Sabihin, 4
O'clock.
o'clock. Very good. Pag ang longhand nakatapat sa 12, anong oras na po yun dyan? O'clock.
O'clock.
Okay, are you ready? Ako muna. Kailangan paunahan sabihin sa akin. Ano po ang oras na? What is the time?
6 o'clock.
Very good naman. 6 o'clock. O, Jad's turn. Jad. What time is it, Jad?
8 o'clock.
Let's take turns, okay? Take turns. Jad's turn, Prince turn, okay? Dapat take turns tayo. Si Jad muna, tapos si Prince. Tapos, after ni Prince, si Jad ulit. Okay? O, Jad muna. What time?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Very good. O, let's have Prince naman.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Jad's turn.
1 o'clock.
What is it? Again, ulit natin. Very good. Ano yun?
2
2 o'clock. Oh, it's Prince's turn. What time is it, Prince?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Very good. Last round. Jad ulit. What time is it, Jad? 11?
11 o'clock.
Very good. And lastly, let's have Prince. Prince, last.
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Very good. O kayo naman mag-practice po sa mga clocks ninyo. Sige nga, papakita ko muna. O, hanapin nyo muna yung 2 o'clock. O, dapat ha, parehong 2 o'clock. Kids, today we just practice telling time. O kayo, gawa rin kayo ng sarili nyong orasan. Remember, these are the parts of the clock. This is the face. On the face, we can find the numbers. The numbers 1 until 12. And here are the two hands of the clock. There's a long hand for the minutes and then there's a short hand for the hours. Tandaan na, dapat pag nagbabasa kayo ng oras, tingnan niyo muna ang short hand o yung hours. At kapag ang long hand ay nakatapat sa 12, ito ay o'clock. Halimbawa, what's the time? It's already 5 o'clock.
Sa kasulukuyang henerasyon, marami na ang nag-viral. Dahil po yan sa kanilang ginagawang pagtulong sa kapwa. Pero mas marami ang tumutulong kahit walang nakakakita. Kaya naman kung ikaw ay may kilala na grupo o individual na may natatanging pagresponde sa lipunan at maging sa kalikasan, mag-text lamang sa 0915-415-1035 o mag-email sa responde@net25.com at magpadala ng mensahe sa ating Facebook page at Net25TV. Baka kayo na ang susunod nating Certified Key Responder.
Let's get together. Sunnet 25. Sunnet 25.
What time is it, Jad? 2 o'clock. Ikaw, Prince, what time is it?
2 o'clock.
Okay, let's have another activity. Sasabihin ko sa inyo yung time. Pagkatapos, ipapakita nyo sa akin. Ready? Oh, hands down first. Hands down muna tayo. Hands down. Good job. Oh, let's do. You have to show me 6 o'clock. Show me 6 o'clock, Prince. Show me 6 o'clock, Jad. Good job. What time is it?
6 o'clock.
Very good. Jad, what time is it?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Dapat mas malakas pa.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock si Prince.
6 o'clock.
Very good po. O next, show me 9 o'clock. Show me 9 o'clock. The long hand pointing to 12 and the short hand pointing to what number? Jad. Jad, what number?
9 o'clock.
9. 9 o'clock. What time is it, Prince?
9 o'clock.
Very good. Okay, next. Are you ready? Are you ready? Opo, Ate Sally.
Opo, Ate Sally.
Si Prince.
Opo, Ate Sally.
Okay. Show me 4 o'clock. Show me 4 o'clock. Ready, get, set, go! 4 o'clock. Ikutin natin mas maayos. Yan. Good job. Ayan. Oh, what time is it, Jad? Up. Are we supposed to jump? No, stand properly. Stand properly po. Okay. What time is it, Jad?
4 o'clock.
Very good. What time is it, Prince?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Good job. Alam niyo ba? O, ito ha, turo ko lang sa inyo. When we tell the time by the minutes, we count by fives. What do? We count by fives.
5.
Count by fives. O, practice lang tayo. Sasabihin ko lang sa inyo. Sasabihin natin, look at me. Hands down and look at me. Say, let's count by fives. 5,
5.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 55, very good, 55, 60. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. One more practice. Sabay-sabay tayo ulit. Let's count by fives. Ready, get, set. Hands down. First rule, hands down. Look at teacher. Look at Ate Sally. Look at Ate Sally, Jad. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, Prince, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Very good. O, pwede na pong maglaro ng clock? Pwede na po kayong maglaro ng clock ninyo. Sasabi po kayo ng time sa isa't isa. Tapos, gagawin po yung time. Okay po? Show me 7 o'clock. Apa, 7 o'clock.
Tapos.
Mga bata, sa araw na ito, ang ating ginawa ay telling time. At hindi lang yun, nag-practice din tayo ng skip counting by fives. Do you remember how to skip count by fives? That's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Tandaan nyo yun na kasi mahalaga yun kapag nagpa-practice na kayo ng telling time by the minutes. And today, we just practice telling time by the hour. Anong ang oras kapag ang longhand ay nakatapat sa 12? That's right, o'clock. O mga bata, practice din kayo sa bahay at dapat gumawa rin kayo ng sarili nyong orasan para meron kayong pagpa-practicean. Sana 7 o'clock.